Okay, are you guys ready to go? You guys have everything, right? No se les olvida nada. Where's your brother? Y ya les dije, if you guys are not going to be committed to this, mejor ya no vamos a venir. We're not going to come anymore. You guys are not going to play. No, it's because you guys leave me all the responsibility. You guys are not responsible. Y eso no está bien. ¿Y ese por qué está llorando? Why are you crying? What do you mean you forgot your shirt? Well, I don't know. You're going to tell the coach y no vas a jugar ahora. Límpiate esa cara. I don't want to see you cry. Límpiate esa cara. Hey, girl. Yes, we'll be right there. She's back on the team. Oh, es que sí, she was the one that was messing around with the coach last time. Remember? Yes, yes. ¿Qué pasó? What happened? I think it's yours. He got hurt. What happened? Is he okay? You're fine, mijo. Get up. It's just a bruise. Stop crying. You know what? Put this. Es bálsamo. Me la trajeron de Mexico. You put this in it. You're gonna be fine, mijo. Stop crying. Did you see that she doesn't have the ring anymore? That's what I was saying. What was that? It was 2 these weeks to bring the snacks. I go next week. Here's the juice and stop complaining. Hola, ¿cómo está? We're good. Okay, thank you. She's the mom from the other team. She's Muslim. Hey, and make sure you're focused.